Okay, so the first step we're going to do is to make the daisy. So to do that, we put the yellow circle on top and we find the 4 white petals that are the centerpieces. So you find one, just rotate it up to put it on top. You just do that until you have all 4 petals in place. And we have the daisy. Then for each of the petals, you find the side color, align it with the middle, and rotate it down so it is in the right place for the white bottom. Here, this is red. It's aligned with the red center. We just turn it over. This one's already aligned with green. Turn it over. This one's aligned with the orange. We turn it over. We've completed the daisy, and now on the bottom, we have the white cross with each petal in the correct position. Again, keeping the yellow on top, the next move is to put the white corners in the proper place on the white bottom. So we're going to find a white corner. Here we're going to put it on top with the yellow. We'll get it in the right place. It goes on the side between green and orange, because those are the 2 colors there. It's between the green and the orange. And we do our move, which is back, over, down, over. We do that repeatedly until it lands in the right spot. We repeat that again for any other corners. A shortcut you can use is if the white happens to be on the side instead of the top, just put the red or whichever face is with the center and just do the move. You just have to do it once. Back, over, down, over. Here, it's on the top, so red and green. You move it to the red and green corner. There we go. Now it's on the right side, so we're going to do the same thing. Turn it back, push it away from the side, down, and return the top. We just repeat our motion until, there we go. It lands in the right spot. This one's blue. Now we're working from the left side, back, push, down, return. And now we have the bottom white row completed. Okay, so now the next move is to make all of these centerpieces on the top correct. So they should all have a yellow on them. If they don't have a yellow, then they really belong down here in the second row. So to do this, we're gonna look at these pieces that don't have a yellow. We're gonna find the face that's here and put it with the correct centerpiece, which is right here. Now, we look at the top and see what color that is. It's red in this case, the red's over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push it away from that red side and then just do our move. Back, over, down, return. Now we take the whole cube, turn it, and do our move, but on the other side. Back, over, down, return. Now we'll look at these. Here's another one that doesn't match. We line it up with orange. We look for the top, it's green, it's on that side, so we're just gonna push it away from that side. And again, we're gonna do our move twice. First on the side we pushed it away from. We take the whole cube, turn it, and do the move on the opposite side to return that white corner back where it goes. All right, now we have red and blue here. We'll line it up. It's blue again, it's on this side, so we'll turn it away from that side and do our move. Turn the whole cube, do the move on the opposite side to return the white corner. There we go, there's a blue one. Orange, again, it's on the left side, push it away, do our move, turn the whole cube, do our move on the opposite side to return the white corner. And there we go. Now the second row is complete. Sometimes you'll have all yellow up here and the second row won't be complete yet. In that case, just pick a side, put that weird piece there, and just do the move, and it will disrupt things, and you can keep following the pattern we just completed. Okay, so now the second row is complete. We want to get these yellow centerpieces all, so the yellow part is on top. Here it's on top like it's supposed to be. Here it's on top like it's supposed to be. But here and here it's not. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for this L, put it in the top left corner. Once we have it there, we just take the whole front face, rotate it, so you'll have a white line over here, and do our move on the right side. And take the front face and return that back down. Okay, this is good. Now we have a line. That's great. Take the front face again, turn it, so we have our white line, do the move, and return the white face back down. There. Now we have the yellow cross. So the yellow centerpieces are all facing up as they should be. Now that we have all the yellow pieces facing up and the yellow cross, we have to make sure they're on the right side. That green matches, that's good. The orange matches. Oh, but see, this is not good. This is red and blue. That's blue and red. These two pieces are supposed to be in the opposite places. So what do we do about this? Well, if you're lucky enough to have two that are already correct, put those two to the right and to the back. So it's back there and over there. And this is the move we're going to do. We're going to take the right side, turn it up, push the top over, the right side back down, push the top over, right side back up, and push the top twice, over, over, to return the white row here. Now we can turn it back down. And if we look at these pieces, just move it one, and they should all be lined up now. So again, to see that move, it's take the right side, up, over, back down, over, back up, over, over. Just like that. That's all you need to do. Okay, so now we have the yellow cross and all of those center pieces are in the proper places and facing the right way. We're gonna look at the corners and get all the corners to be in the right corner. So this is green and red, good, that corner's in the right place. Obviously the other ones aren't right. This one should be red and blue, and it's green and orange. So if you're lucky enough to have one of these that's already in the correct position, like this one is, even though it's not oriented the correct way, that's fine, it's in the correct position. Put it in your front right corner here. And then here's the move we're gonna make. We're gonna take the top, push it to the left, rotate the right side back, take the top, return it back to the right, turn the left side up, take the top, push it back to the left, take the right side, now it's all white again, push it down, take the top, back to the right, we take the left side, it's all realigned, and go down. Now check all the corners again. This one's in the right place. Oh, this one's in the right place and even facing the right way, that's good. This one should be blue and orange, and it's correct now. And this one's in the right place and facing the right way. So that's good. Now all these corners are in the correct position, even if they're all not facing the right way, and that's the final thing that we'll fix. Okay, so the final step. This is the first time we no longer gonna have yellow on the top. We're gonna flip the whole cube and put white on top and take one of these corners that's in the wrong position. So it's here in our bottom right corner. Now we know we need that yellow to face downwards here. All we're gonna do is we're gonna do our 4-step move repeatedly until the yellow is facing down. And remember, it's the 4-step move. Even whenever you finally have the yellow facing down, don't forget to do the 4th step or things will not work out well. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Now we're just gonna take the bottom and we're gonna turn it. Well, this one's already right, so we can just keep going. turn it again. Here's the next wrong one. Let's repeat our move again, our 4-step move until it's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. You'll probably have to take the bottom row, twist it a few times. Congratulations.